Military experts say that one of the biggest limitations to the combat performance of fifth-generation aircraft is their limited weapon carrying capacity. For stealth fighters, ammunition is generally stored inside the aircraft's internal weapons compartment to reduce the radar cross-section, ensuring stealth. The US F-22 and China's J-20 can only carry 6 long-range air-to-air missiles and 2 short-range missiles, for a total of 8 missiles. The lighter US F-35 is also significantly limited, being able to carry only 4 missiles. Although American experts are working to overcome this limitation, the F-35 is still not compatible to larger twin-engine fighters. Entering service with the Russian Air Force from December 2020, the Su-57 stands out from other fighters of its generation because it has been deployed in real combat with a very modern missile arsenal. Western intelligence said Russia has deployed Su-57 fighters for the campaign in Ukraine since last year, but usually only uses long-range missiles to attack targets. Satellite images taken at the end of December 2020, published by the British Ministry of Defense, show 5 Su-57's parked at Akhtubinsk Air Base in southwestern Russia. The maximum weapon load of the Su-57 is about 14 to 16 tons. For comparison, the maximum weapons load of the Su-35 is 12 tons. The Su-30 is 10.4 tons. The F-22 Raptor is about 10 tons, and the F-35 is only 8.1 tons. According to Military Watch magazine, the Su-57 accommodates 8 missiles, including 6 long-range R-77M missiles in unique tandem weapons bays and 2 more small-diameter short-range missiles in small bays under its wing struts, much like the F-22 and J-20 do. What makes the Su-57 stand out, however, is that can carry not only much longer-range air-to-air missiles than other stealth fighters, but has also carried high-diameter long-range cruise missiles, including for use in actual combat operations. The main air-to-air weapons of the Su-57 include R-77M and R-37M air-to-air missiles, which have been widely used on the Ukrainian battlefield since 2022 and are highly effective. Being able to deploy missiles like the R-37M is one of the most outstanding features of the Su-57 compared to other fighters of the same generation. The R-37M has a range of up to 400 kilometers, meaning the Su-57 can neutralize enemy aircraft at twice the distance compared to the F-22, F-35, or J-20. The R-37M can reach speeds of Mach 6 and has a warhead weight of 61 kilograms. It is significantly larger than the Chinese PL-15 or the American AIM-120D. However, because it is significantly larger and heavier, each fighter can only carry 4 such missiles. The R-37 was developed to become the main weapon of the MiG-31 Interceptor, the world's largest combat aircraft designed for air-to-air operations. A scaled-down version of the R-37 missile is currently being developed specifically for the Su-57 under the name Isdala 810 program. Some reports said that Isdala 810 missiles have been deployed in the Ukrainian battlefield. With a large engagement range, It allows the Su-57 to threaten important enemy air support assets, such as early warning and control aircraft, bombers, etc. Several other types of missiles are also being developed for the Su-57 fighter, including one optimized to attack stealthy targets. Russia's Su-57 stealth fighter is also highly appreciated for its variety of air-to-ground weapons, most notably the Kh-59 Mark II cruise missile, which can neutralize small targets at long range up to 300 kilometers. The Kh-59 Mark II uses a 320 kilograms penetrating warhead, but can also be equipped with a smaller pellet warhead designed to affect targets over a wider area. Other warheads proposed have included a more powerful penetrator and a cluster munition carrier. The missile is subsonic, which allows it to cover a greater range despite its relatively small size, and has been combat tested in both Syria and Ukraine. This makes the Su-57 not only the third fighter of its generation to be used in air-to-air combat, but also the only one to be used in strike missions against a major state adversary and to carry out standoff precision strikes. The 300 km engagement range is very valuable because the Su-57 stealth capabilities are worse than those of the J-20 or F-35. This range allows the Su-57 to attack targets deep behind enemy lines without moving too close to enemy air defense systems. A number of other missiles were built for the Su-57, such as the Kh-58 USHKE anti-radiation missile, designed to neutralize enemy radar locations and air defense systems. Kh-38 cruise missile, a scaled-down version of the Kh-47 M2 ballistic missile. This missile is lighter in weight, so aircraft can carry larger quantities, but has a shorter range. In short, the Su-57 is considered more prominent among fighters of the same generation, not only because it has been deployed in actual combat, but also because of its outstanding aerial combat capabilities with its powerful arsenal.